Okay, it cut out for some reason. I don't know why. But I need other YouTubers out there. If you can help me. I know I'm going to have to get a laptop or whatever. I don't have one right now. But I need help with doing the thumbnail and things like that. I mean, you can put it in the subscription. You can email me at golddigger7304. That's GOALD. Let's get IGGER 7304 at gmail.com. Because, honey child, I need help. Okay? And I'm asking, you know, how to do it. And I'm willing to learn or whatever.